All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, so here's the rundown of what's going on right now. So basically, as you can see, like I have Windows 10, and I don't know, I was getting pretty tired of it. Like I think it looks ugly, and I was trying to like see what I could do about it. Maybe like customize it more or change some features or whatever. So I talked to my friend, and he's like really smart with computers, cause like I'm like pretty dumb at computer stuff. Like I don't know what I'm doing. So I asked him like, what can I do about Windows 10? And he said there's this thing called Linux. I was like, what's that? So I looked up Linux, and I saw that there was like a penguin that popped up. So I was like, wow, this mascot, like this logo looks pretty cool, so it must be good. And yeah, my friend told me that it was an operating system or like something like that, I don't know. And he said like it could make my desktop look cooler or whatever. So I was like, all right, let me try it out. I'm gonna like try to like download this Linux thing. But he was like, no, it's more complicated than that. There's like these things called distributions or something. So basically I was like, all right, just tell me the easiest way to download this so I can try this Linux thing out. And he was like, all right, you need to download this thing called Arch Linux. So that's what we're gonna do today. Apparently it's like really easy and simple to set up, so I'm gonna like do it, and hopefully we'll see like if Linux is better than this Windows 10. And I don't know, I'm a noob at this stuff, so guys, don't roast me in the comments. But I won't really have to worry about that because no one watches this shit anyway. But yeah, so I'm just gonna look up like how to install, or I think it's Arch Linux. And he said it should be easy. Let's see, we got installation guide. Yeah, looks official right here. Arch Linux. Yeah, so this is what he was talking about. Yeah, this looks good. Alright, so I got my virtual thing. Alright, I'm just gonna click start. Let's see what we gotta do. Okay. Alright, let's like make this full. Alright, look. Okay, let me get rid of this X. Okay, so we got this Arch Linux. So I think yeah, I didn't read the thing, you know how it was like the guide, because I don't like reading. So but my friend said it would be like easy enough, so I'm just gonna wing it. But like I think I just pressed this one. Okay, it looks like I can type hello. Oh, command not found, and it gave me a frowny face. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do, I think I just type this: install Arch Linux please, and I think this will work. So yeah, I'm just gonna press enter. I don't know what happened, but this screen popped up and it says like, look, it says Gen 2 Linux, and I'm pretty sure I said install Arch Linux. So like I don't know what's going on here. If you guys like know what's going on and can help me like install Arch Linux, please like leave it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure this out, and when I do, I'll tell you guys. I'll make a new video on it. But yeah, that's it for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this Gen 2 thing. I don't know how it works. So yeah, I'll try to figure it out. See you guys in the next video, I guess.